Hi guys, you're welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple buttercream on a budget. Very easy. Welcome to Progressive Recipes. Yes, you're welcome. In this channel we'll cook, we bake, we decorate cakes, and we'll do different pastries I know you will love. And let me tell you the simple truth, our recipes are so easy that you can try it at home and you will get it 100%. You heard me, 100%. So no excuse. Try our recipe today and you will thank me later. So welcome back. We'll be making buttercream, simple American buttercream. Yes, to start this buttercream, we'll be measuring out our butter and we'll start by whisking it, just like creaming it. If you don't have a hand mixer, you don't have a standing mixer, please use your wooden spatula or wooden spoon spatula or whatever you want to call it, anything hard. You can even use your pistol in your kitchen to cream this butter, and I promise you to still come out beautiful. Yeah, but my standing mixer is available, that's why I'm using it. Have you been struggling with buttercream? This is the reason why. So stick to this video and don't skip any part because you might be missing a beautiful tip. Yeah, right away, let me tell you the reason why buttercream looks so hard for you. Yeah, some people say, I love fondant, I don't like buttercream. Buttercream is easy, fondant is easy. It's all about your quality of your ingredients and the quality of your ingredients and how you mix them. Yeah, today I'm mixing this simple low budget buttercream. I'm using 1 kg of icing sugar to 350 grams of margarine or butter. Yeah, in case you have margarine, use it. If in case you have butter, use it. Yes, I can still mix this with 300 grams of margarine or 300 grams of butter to 1 kg of icing sugar. The reason is because the more you get that butter, especially from African countries that are so sunny and hot, you need lesser butter to more icing sugar. You heard me, lesser butter to lesser margarine to more icing sugar, so that after decorating, your buttercream will not melt out. Back in Nigeria, my buttercream looks dry in the eye, especially when I make white buttercream. I normally make my white buttercream the same quantity of recipe, but I use Crisco. Yeah, you heard me, vegetable shortening. That's what I use in Nigeria. Only my vegetable shortening, 300 grams of vegetable shortening to 1 kg of icing sugar and water. You heard me, water. Just the same way I'm adding little water to it, my my icing sugar as I mix. As I mix little butter, little icing sugar, little water, and I will mix it together to incorporate all the ingredients. Yes, you can add your flavor. That's your choice. You can also, instead of water, you can use milk, feel free. But these days, not everybody eats buttercream, no, because everybody is trying to watch weight and watch the sugar intake in their system. So I don't mind milk. So it's better I go for water, because I know at the end some people will scrape out all the sugary part of the cake. So what am I trying to say? Wherever you are, please, if you want to have a quality buttercream, always go for lesser margarine, lesser butter, and higher quantity of icing sugar. Just the same way as I said, 300 grams to 350 grams of margarine or butter to 1 kg of icing sugar. And for the water or milk, liquid milk you'll be using to drop and mix this, look at that, well mixed already. You need to drop it little at a time as you incorporate. Don't just pour everything together, it doesn't make sense. That's another thing. You don't just pour everything together. And another beautiful tips, a lot of people because I have standing mixer, I have what do you call it, hand mixer. You want to use the hand mixer and standing mixer to do everything. Good, if it's working for you, perfect. But to me, I don't like it. When you use standing mixer to mix in your icing sugar inside your butter, sometimes you come up with a lot of air bubbles on your cake when decorating. You heard me right. So that's the reason why I prefer you just cream your butter or your margarine with your mixer, hand mixer or wooden spatula, and you now use that your spatula mix in your sugar, little icing sugar, little at a time, with your hands. What I mean with your hands, with your icing sugar. I remember one video I saw, the lady has to put on glove and use her bare hands to be mixing it little at a time. So up to you, but the best way I use my spatula, either my plastic spatula or my wooden spoon, to just mix it little at a time. And if you are using liquid color, please make sure that the quantity of water or milk you added is not much. If possible, please add, when it's still thick, your buttercream is very thick, please drop your liquid color before you start, so that when you add that liquid color, it will not make everything look so soggy and watery or very soft. Please always come out with a quality buttercream by making use of the right ingredients, quality ingredients, and make sure you do it correctly. And I promise you will come out with a beautiful buttercream, very low budget one at such. You don't need to pile up ingredients and you still come out with something you will not like. So my people, as things are going so expensive in the market, learn how to make good use of your material and come on. Next time I'll be talking about cake. Yes, I have a beautiful recipe. You don't have to pile up butter, margarine, and you still like, I did not make enough money from this cake and all that. I'll be giving you a very quality ingredients and low budget, and I promise you it will still be the best ever you have ever seen. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like. Feel free to comment if you love what I shared. Thanks a million. Bye.